At Gear Shift Garage, a multi brand motorbike service center, and a proud unit of Cruise Rover, we deliver trusted expertise and complete care for your ride. Along with our service excellence, we also operate bikes on hire, a reliable motorbike rental service across Hyderabad with locations in Sainikpuri and Kukatpally. At Gear Shift Garage, customer comfort matters. We provide hot and cold water facilities while your bike is being serviced. Our workshop is fully equipped with ready stock of essential spares, including cables, clutch shoes, switches, and premium engine oils from brands like Bosch, Castrol, Motul, and Royal Enfield. We also stock genuine oil filters, air filters, bulbs, and other essential accessories for quick and efficient repairs. Powered by modern equipment such as OBD scanners, battery testers, battery charging systems, spark plug cleaners, fully automatic lifts, and advanced air compressors. We ensure precision in every service from Royal Enfield Himalayan 4111cc to Jawa, Apache RTR 160, Honda Activa, Suzuki Access, and even classic models like Karizma R. We service all types of motorbikes with expert care, Gear Shift Garage, where performance meets trust. Turn up, smooth rides,